Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about the term keratoplasty. So kero means cornea, plasty means surgery or replacement. Okay. So corneal transplantation. Corneal transplantation. Okay. What is corneal transplantation? In which the patient diseases cornea replaced to the donor healthy cornea. So in disease cornea is replaced into a healthy cornea. Donor healthy cornea. So as we know, cornea have 5 layers. First one is epithelial layer. Okay. Second is Bowman's membrane. Third is stroma. Fourth is descendant membrane. And last is endothelial layer. So suppose the defect is present only in epithelial layer. Okay. So why we require the whole transplantation of cornea? We replace only epithelial. Okay. So according to that, we classify the keratoplasty corneal transplantation into two categories. First is PK, penetrating keratoplasty, penetrating keratoplasty, or second is laminar keratoplasty. Laminar keratoplasty. Okay. In laminar keratoplasty, we will discuss about three terms. First is DALK, second is DSEC, or DSHEC. Okay. Or third is DMAC or DMAC. Okay. So we will discuss this three term. Okay. Now, what is the indications of keratoplasty? Indication. First indication is, of course, optical purpose. Optical purpose for improving for improving vision. Second is therapeutic purpose. Therapeutic purpose is generally for relieving the pain. Okay. So suppose keratitis patient inflamed cornea को replaced करेंगे. We replaced inflamed cornea. Okay. Third is tetanic graft. So what is tetanic graft? Tetanic graft is that in which, suppose this is cornea, the cornea is perforated, okay, at the center. So the anterior structures are moving forward. So in this case, we replaced the defective cornea into a healthy donor cornea by which we balance all this structure. So this for this we say this is tetanic graft. Okay. Last is cosmetic purpose. Of course, based on the cosmetic purpose, we also transplant cornea. Okay, to improve the appearance of eye. So now we will discuss in detail about that three term: laminar keratoplasty. Second, so PK, in which we replace full cornea. Okay, It is also known as full thickness grafting. So second is laminar keratoplasty. So what is laminar keratoplasty? It is also known as partial thickness grafting. Partial thickness grafting. So in laminar keratoplasty, we replace uh, the donor cornea into the diseased cornea into a donor cornea according to the layers defect. First is DALK, DALK. Okay, so DALK full form is deep anterior laminar keratoplasty. Keratoplasty. Okay, so in DALK, so according to the name anterior lamellar. Okay, so up to the level of decement membrane, we replace the cornea. Suppose this is a cornea, so all epithelium layer, Bowman's membrane, and half of the stroma is replaced. Okay, to the donor cornea. This surgery is known as DALK. So in which cases we do this surgery? First is PMCD, TMCD, pellucid marginal corneal degeneration, Terence marginal corneal degeneration, or also in Moran's ulcer. Moran's ulcer. Okay. The second one is DSEC. Okay. So the full form is Descemet's stripping endothelial keratoplasty. So according to the name, descent membrane. So according to the name, descent membrane means descent membrane is peeled out. Okay, means removed. Descent membrane is peeled off. So in which the three upper layer is normal, so we replace endothelium with descent membrane. This surgery is known as DSEC. Or what is DSAEK? So it is descent stripping. A for automated endothelial keratoplasty. Same endothelial keratoplasty. So the difference only is automated. This is manual. This is automated. Okay. So the third one is DMAC. DMAC. So descent full form is descent membrane endothelial keratoplasty. According to the name, we replace the descent membrane with endothelial. Okay, but the difference is, so what is the difference between DSAC and DMAC? Okay, see it here. Suppose this is a cornea. Okay, we replace this part because this is a stroma and here. So in descent membrane, we replace some residual donor stroma. Okay, so as per stripping, so you learn S is stroma. Okay, we replace some residual donor stroma. Okay, but in DMAC, the graft does not contain any residual stroma. So this condition is known as DMAC. So as per the name, DMAC, in which the stroma is not taken, but in DSEC we take some stroma also. So today we will learn about the PK, laminar keratoplasty. In laminar keratoplasty, DALK, descent and DMAC. Okay, thank you.